a little surprise for you guys today. What are you getting there, man? Yeah, she's getting the KF official tat. Not even I have that shit. And that's like literally my channel. So she's gonna go ahead and beat me to it. A little update right now. She's almost done. She got the crown done. The KLF is officially done, and right now they're adding the red on it. Man, that shit looks hard. You love it? From 1 to 10, how much you like it? 1,000. There you go. 1,000. Better than this one. By the way, I designed that shit, so no copyright this bitch. I'm gonna sue you.
He made it come to life?
He made it come to life, literally. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Did a great job, man. I'm talking a little bit funny because I just got my piercing that I've been wanting for like the past 2 weeks. The piercing that I got is the official snake eyes. Check them out. The pain was kind of bad, but like once you have it inside, it feels so fucking good. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. Hide your girls, because I'm about to eat every girl's pussy right now. Baby girl thing right now is amazing. Let me see your hand. She took it to the next level. Official original logo, the one that comes out in all my videos. The crown looks so fucking good. Look at that. What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy Q Fresh. It is approximately 5:30 in the morning, January 31st. Where are we going?
To Texas.
Show me the map, dude. It's 22 hours drive all the way to fucking Texas with this one. My tongue piercing is healing much better now. Are we ready? I'm actually able to eat a couple noodles and chicken with a straw. So I'm gonna give you guys a little quick update. Right now we're legit 40 minutes away from Las Vegas right now. So we're legit 40 minutes away from Las Vegas. We're gonna go to Texas, but me and my boys decided that we want to go to Vegas just to like go to the strip a little bit, probably get a little bit of shots. Hey, I want to go to Vegas. He didn't even hesitate. He's like, you know what, let's do it. It's gonna take us longer to get to Texas, but we're like, fuck it. It is what it is. He just rolled up a little fatty right now. I'm gonna take a piss, a couple hits, and we're all the way to Vegas. So I'll see you guys there when I get to Vegas. We just pulled up to Las Vegas right now. We're out here in Las Vegas, Caesar Palace right here. My boys over here executing perfect changes. Show the gear changes. It's official. We're about to hit Arizona right now. We're going to Arizona right here. Damn. Look at all the snow, guys. Damn. We're out here literally in the mountains with the snow. I had to change my jacket because it got way too cold. Let's make it snow real quick. We'll make an anorexic snowman right here. There you have it. I love snow. We're out here in the snow. Check out this shuffling skills right here. Alright, for the one time. Do you want to build a snow angel?
Oh, yeah, no.
How does it look?
You can barely see it. Oh, no, you can see it. Are you good?
Alright, guys. So,
you good?
Yeah, it looks good. It's good. Alright, vamos a hacer unos raspados ahorita de vainilla de limón. Alright, so what flavor raspado? What flavor?
Limón.
Limón. Okay.
Limón.
¿Preparado grande o chiquito? Doble scoop.
Sí, sí, sí.
Doble scoop. Okay. Ay, güey, no siento las manos. Okay. Estamos un raspado de pinche verga. ¡Tenemos!
No, yeah, no. Oh, Jojo! Oh, fuck your phone! It's okay. That's an awkward ass snowman.
He's horny though, look.
Oh.
Get the side angle? Get the side angle for me? He's looking really good from the side angle, look.
Sheesh.
Oh, damn, what? Huh? Oh, my crack is cold and wet.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Alright. Oh, shit, that's really sick.
Oh. He cracked his head, nigga.
Damn, that's King Fresh. if he was a snowman. Check out his boner that he has in the snow. We have a semi truck in the back of us and it was tailgating. So me and he started screaming like this. It was like a fucking Call of Duty map. We just hit New Mexico right now. We're at a random gas station and I put it in gas because she's hungry. There's actually snow here. You can see in the mountains. It's that cold right now. So I'll get back to you when we actually hit Texas now. So we've already finished Arizona. Now we're gonna go into New Mexico. And then after that we're gonna hit Texas. We're in New Mexico making it to the main city right here. We just reached Texas right now. It's official. We just reached Texas. Now we gotta go all the way over here. I think they probably left it.
She's inside.
Where?
She's inside. Yeah, she's inside. She'll call 911? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, damn, she is inside. So we're somewhere in Texas, guys.
We're on the Brantfield Highway.
Damn. We always have to stop by to make sure everybody's good. That was a hard hit. I don't know what happened here, but we're in Texas right here. The lady's in there. I don't know what's wrong with her, but hopefully she's fine.
It's a black.
The car's leaking. The girl's inside. There's actually a lady inside. So the girl doesn't want to get out because she's waiting for her boyfriend. Alright guys, so the lady is actually, the girl's actually drunk inside. The ambulance are trying to find us. Look, as you can see them, they're over there. But we actually called right now. We gave them the proper location. But it appears that the lady's drunk. She literally just floated right here. She stepped on it. Look, you can see on the little grass here. She just stepped on it, and boom, straight inside. Hey, ain't no joke out here. It is cold, Hazufi.
This is fucking
We got
freezing.
two jackets. We got the blankets, but we out here making sure that she's fine. She's calling for her boyfriend. I don't know what, but she's drunk as hell. Damn, she's hella drunk. She keeps calling her boyfriend and shit, but he's not even here. She's by herself. So we got the cops pulling up finally. The ambulance is still driving around, but the cops actually pulled up right now, so that's good.
Howdy.
The ambulance actually showed up already. We got everybody here, so we're about to dip right now. The girl is drunk, so I don't know what's gonna happen here, but we're out here. Finally, they showed up though, but we did it. We did a good deed, Zumi. Good job, Zumi. The cops are legit with just a shirt on, and we're over here with sweaters, and they're like with blankets. They're like, "Are you cold up?" Like, hell yeah, we're from LA. We're not from around here. When I'm so far from you, Texas, all I can do is cry. One thing that I like about Texas, look at the gas price, $1.89. God damn. I'm gonna go buy a V12 car right here. So I've been here in Texas for a day already, and I like it. There's a lot of wide open space, a lot of stuff that you can do, a lot of activities. But not only do we have a lot of open space, we also have these babies right here, almost in every corner. God damn, somebody had a rough night with this guy right here. But yeah, this is why I love Texas, man. We got a bunch of bulls, a bunch of cows, a lot of like stuff like this here. Check out the ball sacks, they look like mine. He had a rough night as well. First Mustang from Texas. He's out here. He's out here. Headers, he's two straight pipes. That's what Texas is about. Oh, we got Six Flags out here in Texas. Looking really nice out here. For a second I thought I was in Times Square, but then I realized I'm still in Texas right now. We're in downtown Dallas, guys. So I guess we got lost. We were supposed to be in Houston and we ended up in Dallas.
Yo.
Hello?
Yeah.
Did it send you far or what?
They sent me to Dallas.
Dude, we're in downtown Dallas.
I swear, Dick, check my location.
Damn, we're supposed to be in Houston. We're in Dallas. Damn, the Dallas Mavericks are here. Let's go watch them play the basketball game. Here's Los Angeles here, and we're over here. We're over here in Dallas, Texas right now. on our way to Houston right here. So we're gonna be landing in Houston.